Changing a tube on the INOKIM Light 2. When you have a flat tire or slow leak, the tube needs to be replaced. The Light 2 sets itself apart from the Light with its oblong tire and tube and split rims. Removal of the wheels is the same as the Light, except for the addition of the front brake. To remove the front wheel, you'll also need a 3M Allen key for the drum brake anchor screw and a 4M Allen key for the brake cable clamp. First, loosen the axle with 10M wrenches. Use the 3M Allen key to remove the drum brake anchor screw. Make sure to retain the screw sleeve and put it back in place when reinstalling the wheel. Then use the 4M Allen key to release the brake cable. Continue by removing the plate screws and loosening the axle, and the wheel will drop from the fork. Before replacing a flat tire, first make sure all air is out of the tube. The Light 2's front wheel is held together by 3 screws. Unscrew them with a 4M Allen key in an alternating pattern until they can be removed. Remove both the brake and opposing sides of the rim. The rim may be fixed to the tire, so use a tire iron to release it. Remove the flat tube. With the tire's direction facing you clockwise, place the new tube with the valve facing downwards. When replacing the brake side of the rim, make sure the indent lines up with the valve. Same goes for the opposing rim. Before proceeding, ensure the rims are lined up with each other and that the rims are seated evenly on the tire's bead. Screw the rims back together, once again in an alternating pattern. Fill the tube to 50 psi and you're set. The process for the rear wheel is much the same. Remove any remaining air. The rear rims are held together by 6 screws. Unscrew them with a 3M Allen key in an alternating star pattern. Remove both sides of the rim. Use a tire iron if the rim is fixed to the tire. Remove the flat tube. With the tire's direction facing you counterclockwise, place the new tube with the valve facing upwards. Place the motor side of the rim onto the tire. Make sure the indent lines up with the valve. Same goes for the opposing rim. Before proceeding, ensure the rims are lined up with each other and that the rims are seated evenly on the tire's bead. Screw the rims back together, once again in an alternating star pattern. Fill the tube to 50 psi, and you're set.